Blow the cobwebs off your whiz wheel and lube up the spinny bit because it's time to get those thumbs working. If a true heading of 350 degrees results in a ground track of 335 degrees, and a true airspeed of 140 knots results in a ground speed of 115 knots, the wind will be from A. 015 degrees at 30 knots, B. 035 degrees at 40 knots, or C. 290 degrees at 40 knots. Select the right answer to prove your worthiness as an NDB-loving, steam-gauging, tail air-following fossil of flight. For bonus points, send me a video of you working it out on an actual analog flight computer, and I'll credit you in the explanation video. Check out my story and bio to find an online version of the E6B that I've used here. Who needs a Garmin? So we place the ground track at the top on the true index, which is 335. Put the speed grommet on the ground speed. Now find the drift, which is the true heading, minus the ground track, 15 degrees in this case. The aircraft is being blown from the right, causing the ground track to be less than the heading. So we place the dot on the 15-degree line to the right of the 0 line. The dot should also be placed on the true airspeed of 140 knots. Then spin the wheel until the dot is on the 0 line above the grommet. Slide the grommet to the 100 mark for ease of reading. The wind direction is on the true index, and the difference between the speed reading on the dot and the 100 grommet reference is the wind speed, around 42 shown here. So the closest and therefore correct answer is B, 035 degrees at 40 knots. Out of 1,175 people, 512 got the correct answer, including Diego, who worked it out using trigonometry and sent me his working. Dedication.